When we think of space, we think of the vast expanse of stars with unsolved mysteries. One of the most exciting topics, shrouded in a halo of science fiction and real scientific theories, are wormholes. These hypothetical structures are like portals connecting different corners of the universe or even parallel realities. What are they? And could wormholes ever be used for interstellar travel? What does science say? Wormholes, or Einstein-Rosen bridges, were first described in 1935 by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen as part of the general theory of relativity. They are tunnels in the space-time continuum that can connect to distant places in space. In theory, by traveling through a wormhole, you could travel to the other side of the galaxy or even to another universe, avoiding long millennia of traveling in a spaceship. But there's a catch. So far, wormholes only exist at the level of mathematical equations. Physicists have yet to find conclusive evidence of their real existence. Question for subscribers: do you think it is realistic to find wormholes in the future, or will it remain only a theory? How might they work? To better understand how a wormhole works, imagine a piece of paper. If you draw two dots on it and want to connect them with a straight line, that would be the normal path. But if you fold the paper so that the dots are on top of each other, you create a wormhole, the shortest path between the 2 points. A key aspect of creating a wormhole is the use of so-called exotic matter, which has negative energy. This matter could hold the wormhole open. Without it, the tunnel would collapse instantly. This matter could hold the wormhole open. Without it, the tunnel would collapse instantly. Interesting fact: negative energy is not a fantasy. Quantum mechanics assumes its existence under certain conditions, such as the Casimir effect. If you had access to a wormhole, where would you go first? Is wormhole travel possible? The question of wormhole travel is not just a matter of imagination. It involves the most fundamental laws of physics. Stability problem. Even if wormholes exist, their stability remains highly questionable. The slightest impact, such as an object passing through it, could destroy the tunnel. However, some scientists believe it is possible to stabilize such tunnels using exotic matter. Time effect. Theoretically, wormholes could allow travel not only in space, but also in time. Imagine that one side of a wormhole is traveling at an incredible speed. According to the theory of relativity, this could create a time paradox. For example, you could go back in time before you traveled. Energy cost. To create and maintain a wormhole would require an enormous amount of energy, perhaps more than our civilization can provide. But who knows what technologies the future holds? Do you think there is life in other universes that wormholes could lead to? Wormholes and science fiction. Wormholes are often a central theme in science fiction. Movies such as Interstellar use them as a means of traveling incredible distances. In this movie, the wormhole allowed the characters to travel to distant star systems in search of a new home for humanity. An equally interesting example comes from the Star Trek series, where wormholes often play a key role in the plot. They serve as a kind of galactic roads connecting different parts of the universe. What's your favorite movie or book that mentions wormholes? Share in the comments. Wormholes and current research. Although wormholes remain hypothetical objects for now, research in this area is actively pursued. Scientists are studying quantum effects and gravitational waves to find indirect evidence of their existence. If an actual wormhole is ever discovered, it will revolutionize humanity's view of space and our capabilities. Fact to ponder: in 2019, physicists at Harvard University suggested that wormholes may be stable, but so small that only a particle can pass through them. However, this is already a hint that their existence is not ruled out. Wormholes remain one of the most exciting topics in modern science. Their study opens before us not only new horizons of space, but also a deep understanding of the very structure of the universe. Perhaps one day future technologies will allow us to use these mysterious tunnels to explore distant galaxies or search for new worlds. For now, we can only dream and fantasize about what awaits us beyond the horizon of reality. Do you believe that mankind will ever find a way to travel between stars using wormholes? Write your opinion in the comments. If you like this article, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new fascinating topics about space, science, and the mysteries of the universe. Your support is very important, and it inspires me to create even more interesting content.